Hello everyone. Today we're going to start with question number 25. It says that let U be a vector coplanar with the vector A equals to 2i plus 3j minus k. So this is our first vector, and B equals to j plus k. If U is perpendicular to the vector A and U dot B is 24, this is U, then mod U square is equal to, we have to find this. So simply we will first use the vector formula to simplify this equation and B. So this is the vector formula. Vector u equals to u1 I plus u2 j plus u3 k. These are the x, y, z kind of. So we'll find out matrix, and as coplanar we know u1, u2, u3 and values from the equation. We will find a matrix. After solving this matrix, we will have 4u1 minus 2u2 plus u3, 2u3 equals to 0. This will be our first equation. After taking the 2 common, we will have it to right side. We will take 2 common here from this equation. This will be our first equation. Now u dot be a equals to 0, which is the formula. Then we will use it at the 2u1 plus 3u2 minus 3u3 equals to 0. U dot b is 0. u2 plus u3 equals to 24. So solving u1, we will have minus 4, u2 equals to 8, u3 equals to 16. So we will put the value, and vector u mod square equals to 36, which is our answer number C. Thank you everyone.